Future forensic anthropologists, we've got another exciting one. This problem is problem number 3. John has taken 3 tests this year. He has scored 89, 72, and 86. Use a formula to determine his current average. Format your output as a table and round your average to 2 decimal places. Right, justify the data. And this is what our output should look like. So let's go through how we're going to set something up like this. So it doesn't ask for input, so we're assuming that we already have this test information. So I'm going to say that test 1 is equal to 89. Then I'm going to say that test 2, he got a 72. Then we have test 3 is equal to 86. So now we want to run all of those through a formula. So we're going to go and define that formula as average, because that's what we're going to get out at the end. We're going to get the average. So we are going to, over here, take test 1, and that's going to be plus our test 2 plus test 3, and then we're going to divide all of that by 3. And that's going to be what we get for our average. We don't need any more parentheses and anything like that. So now we can actually move on to our print statements. And this is where we're going to do more of those F strings in here to make sure that everything is looking almost exactly like this one. So we're going to try this out. And we are going to print, open this up, and I want to do an F string. So I'm going to start with parentheses. And now we want to print our test 1, 2, 3, and our average above this. Now, what we haven't ever done before is just print a straight string inside of an F string. So how we do that is we still do our curly brackets because we want to modify it to make sure that it's justified in the right way, but we're going to put a quotation inside of there. And this is why it's important to be using both our apostrophes and our quotations. So I'm going to call this one test 1, and then I am going to justify this one, and I am going to move it over this way, and I'm going to move it over 15. And that will format that one, and I can close that up, and then I can just start with my next one right away. And I can put another placeholder, open this up, do test 2, then close that, throw in my colon. Ooh, I do believe I have my colon in the wrong spot over here. Or no, I think that should be right. We'll double see, we'll check. Once it prints, if it prints, it prints. And then we will close that up. We'll do that process again. I am just going to copy and paste these. So then we'll change this to 3, and this will become average. Cool. So then we can close up our parentheses over here, and now we have our top header all printed out. So now I'm actually just going to take this, and I am going to command copy that, and then command paste it. And now I want to paste the actual test results. So instead of putting that right here, we want to put our actual variable, which was test 1. And then we can go and we can try that again with test 2, test 3, and then our average. So what hopefully will become our outcome here is that we took our 3 tests, we took them, we got an average, and then we justified our titles by putting them all 15 over, and then these should all be 15 over, meaning that they all have the same alignment. So when I file run, and I'll click OK. Ooh, we get this wacky number over here for average. So it is a real long number, So we need to add another modifier to this. So we already did that, and I want to round this average. So I can put that at 0.2f, and now we should make that float. So we'll run, click OK. Ha! Look at how beautiful that is. So nice, so neat. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it cleared some things up for you. You've got another one. Problem number 4 is all yours to take care of. Best of luck with it. I know you can do it. I will talk to you later. And I just realized I wasn't showing that. So there we go. It looks beautiful. It looks perfect. We figured it out. We rocked it. Nice job. Talk to you later.